Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to cook turkey crown with all the trimmings. So the first thing you need to do, you need to mix the stuffing. So hot water, and I'm gonna add a little bit of sage there, and then leave it for about 5 minutes. Just stand up for 5 minutes. So while we're waiting for the stuffing, so I'm just gonna chop this up. So this is the sage. So I'm just gonna mix that one here together. Okay. And then I have salt here, paprika, black pepper, cumin, and coriander. So I'm just gonna pour that one in. And I have here with me minced garlic. So I'm gonna mix all that up. Normally just take it out like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just rub this one on it as much as you can. Rub it around. Yeah, as you can see here. Roll over. So here we go. So all that. Okay. And then I'm going to get the stuffing now. We're going to stuff it. Just stuffing the neck now. And just make sure you don't put too much. And tuck it in properly. And next thing here is the last thing we really need to be doing now. It's just a little bit of oil, or you can put butter, that's fine. But now let's do this properly. So this is going to go around it. Now it's the best time to tie the turkey, but because my crown turkey is small, I'm just going to wrap it with the foil. Next, rub the butter all over the foil. So use your hand, and then after that just wrap the turkey in it. Oil around, just a little bit of oil like that, not a lot. And seal it properly. So this is now, it's ready to go into the oven. Here, this is now all greased up. Cooked turkey here. And it's ready, and then you can actually add the other rest of vegetables later to it, if you wish. Bake at 170 degrees centigrade fan oven. Cover it with foil, and then take the foil out 40 minutes before it's done. Now let's check the trimmings. So these are the stuffing that's left from the turkey. So now I'm just going to bake them in the oven. Tiny bit of butter on top, and so on. Bake them at 190 degrees centigrade fan oven for half an hour. Here is the Brussels sprout, I just boiled them. These are the Swede, and these are the parsnips, and here I have the carrots. So the first thing I need to do is to season it all and mix it all up, and then after that add the oil it properly before I bake it. Now I do the same with the potatoes. Now bake them at 190 degrees centigrade. Don't forget that each vegetable is different timing. The carrots will cook first, then the parsnips. Happy holidays!